What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Fun Times family.
Yeah,
Today,
me
guys,
people.
we are gonna show you a little of what's happening what's happening here in Lucea, Hanover.
Yeah, man.
So, guys, we came in the street to show you around, show you
What's happening? What
taking
the
place,
storm is doing to
what
well, the
it's-
hurricane I do to it.
Yeah.
On that side, yeah.
what Hurricane Melissa is doing on our side. So, while we're at it, guys, we're gonna show you around.
Yeah. So actually guys, this is the town. We do have some business
This is
places
in Lucea, yeah?
still open. And for all those who know Lucy, they know what go on, you know. Alright, so
So this is seawall. We call out here seawall.
seawall guys. So as you know can see, the water level rise a bit, you know, but it not really a doing much damage, my peeps, on this side.
Maybe on the rock side, more rougher.
Yeah, we're gonna check the rock side to my peeps, show no what go on the coastline, like. Make you know see, as you know see place now really windy like that or nothing like that, my peeps. It just kind of calm same way. So my peeps, right now we are gonna head back in town. You know see a little bit of the seawall. For all those who know seawall, you don't know what go on down here, so no rain. Just like a breeze. Cause the rain did fall the other day guys, and it just ease off. And right now the storm middle south of Jamaica. You get me? So we don't know. We not get nothing from the west end of the island. We not really get nothing much. The rain did fall before it reach we. When the eye did there about Kingston, rain did fall here so we don't know what really are going. You get me? Like it a drip away from Jamaica or so. But we will see what can go on still or what go on. If you say. You see me, we just walk and show you around the place a little bit so you can understand, you know? Yeah man.
I saw it look creepy.
Yeah.
It feel long way.
So my peeps, this is our bumper heart. On the rock side, the rougher man.
Yeah, may I tell you so go rougher.
The rock side rougher.
So guys, this is out by Fort Charlotte,
Yeah.
Rossi's High School. This is the campus. A campus
Yeah,
one
man,
or
you don't
two.
know and Kevin carry come here to you know guys. It's a man. Yeah.
At work, he hard
He
at work.
hard
guys.
at work guys, so you don't know where you go.
Yeah.
So
But the sea is rough on the rock side.
yeah.
It's more rough.
This is one of we regular fishing spot guys where we go up on that side, go up on the rock there. You can see say you see a box up on it and I tell you say the rock tall.
Yeah man.
Really tall, but it a box up on it make it look like it's shallow. Like the stone down in the water more. So you know say sea level rise. But I just that. Basically I just that my peeps. So when you don't know where you're going guys. You
Yes,
must stay
so
tuned.
this is in Lucy. Nothing are really going in a Lucy guys. But we just come to see if nothing are going so we can show you and keep you updated for all the persons in America that's living that was living in Lucy, Hanover or you know back this side.
Yeah.
You can see what's happening.
Yeah, nothing much on this side.
Nothing much on this side.
We not really
as
get
yet.
nothing too hard, you know.
Hopefully
Hopefully it still pass.
yes, hopefully
And go on.
Hurricane Melissa just
Take time
just-
with our little sexy
move
self
along.
and pass. Yes. Go on about things self.
yes guys, but we're gonna show you some more, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so we are going back towards Green Island Way. So we're gonna show you while we drive. So this is what's happening right now in Esher, guys. The sea is really rough in Esher. Some very high waves. Woo! So far that come. Yes, guys. So that's Esher Primary School over there, guys. The sea is angry right now. Woo! Alright, guys, we're gonna move along. Moving along, guys. Alright, guys, so we reach on one of our other fishing spot, and this is in Cousins Cove, Hanover. Nothing going on here, guys. It's not really rough or anything like that. It's more like normal. This is what's going on here, guys. Where we at in Hanover now, guys, at the moment, we don't really have anything happening. When I watched the hurricane this morning and I saw where it is, guys, it's the eye is way off Jamaica, and it's going, it's south of Jamaica, but it's going west, you know, southwest. So guys, I just hope it continues to just travel along and don't come our way, guys, because honestly we can't take this right now. We can't take it right now, guys. So as I said before, we just want to give you guys some updates on what's happening here in Hanover side, Western Jamaica. So this is what's happening from Lucea to Cousins Cove. Yeah, man, nothing not really happening on our side, guys, and I hope it stay like that. Hope it stay like that, guys, you know, because we don't want Melissa to come here.
Yeah, my people, so that is it, you know, because I don't know anything set up already. All the bird them, all the pelican them still a fly around and thing. On our side of the island, we don't really get nothing.
Yeah.
You get me? We don't really get nothing because we know what is a storm, you see it. So a little breeze or we might have feel, and the little
Earlier though,
rough
excuse
current.
me, earlier, guys, and even yesterday we was getting some
A little breeze with a little
breeze, rain.
rain.
But it on and
We didn't
off.
get rain though.
Nothing too harsh.
Yeah, but
Just-
nothing too hard. And that was when the eye was middle in Kingston, south of Kingston. Now the eye is about middle in the middle of Jamaica. You get what I say? Yeah, man. We not get nothing from the side there, really. You get me? So we safe and thing, guys. We know we haven't posted any video for a while too. But because we're just busy with some other things, we're still there. We still are going to show about some content for you know get the same way. But we have some immediate things that we have to deal with right now, and we have might be the last site to deal with in about a week or so, hopefully, and then after that now we can give you know at least a video a week. That we will try to make sure so we give you know at least that. So when you don't know, just stay tuned, keep on support the channel same way for all those who know the side where we dep on. Yeah man, you know can might be get an idea what go on down the same way, you know might see no spot same way because people know the place you know. You see me? Yeah man. But
So guys, wanna just stay tuned in the meantime. If there's a case where the hurricane really comes to Jamaica, you will see another video for that, guys.
yeah, so
If not, wanna just stay tuned until we post another fishing or any
Yeah.
hunting video.
yeah man.
Yeah, man.
I don't know a thing set
And
up.
guys, wanna keep safe. Even if you look like you not come here, guys, wanna
You know,
keep
still
safe,
try to keep
take on
safe.
necessary precautions. Everybody we're in a Kingston, boy, I know you always be the one to get it
The most, yeah man.
But we're here and we are praying for one just like how we are praying for ourselves.
Yeah, man.
Just keep on ourselves safe on
And
our
we
families,
batten up with the
friends,
wind of them, you
everybody.
know, guys. We batten up with the wind of them and see. Yeah, you don't know.
We have to take the necessary precaution, guys.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So, wanna just go and bless upon ourselves and make we just ride out
Yeah.
the storm.
Hopefully, we not have to send another, we not have to post another storm video, guys.
Yeah,
and
hopefully.
just post one of the hunting video them or the
Yeah.
fishing video them we no love, you know. So, wanna stay tuned until the next video or adventure. You get me? Yeah, man.